definitely want to be in second.
Yeah.
We're all backed up behind the white.
Can I get it?
I don't think he didn't give you the point yet. There it goes. You got it now. Okay. Well, don't worry. Slower, so be ready with. We're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to go much slower through this because we know they're slower. So when we get to the straightaway, we'll know we're gonna get it. So you might even want to back off just a little bit here so we can get a little bit of a run. One thing you do sometimes in racing is you just go a little easier. Look for the point. There we go. Nice, good release. Good, okay.
A little bit late.
A little bit, touch late on the release. Second. Then you just got to remember, since we're in second, we'll have to get out of the first. Yep. There we go.
Got some more.
Be able to get both these guys in the straight.
Oh yeah.
Boy, they really are out of position there, right?
Very, very far out.
Oh boy, yeah, no. They just have not gotten the line yet, have they?
No, not at all.
Oh no, we didn't get it released.
I went to fifth.
Well, that's going to be a problem.
Yeah.
Over the squeeze. Throttle. That was nice. You fed throttle as you unwound the wheel. thinking they might brake more than they need to here. Not too bad.
No, they did well.
Yeah, good. The car's got a lot. Whoa! A little bit
Wow,
wide.
that's slipping on the tires.
Yeah. Okay, that's a little point. They got to recover their. Okay, yeah, we're back here. Okay, there you go. Oh, there's the second. Okay. Yep. Yeah, I think the only reason they didn't give you the point by earlier is they were kind of recovering from the over processing of what happened.
Yep.
Which typically, is very common. Hey, I thought we did great.
Yeah, that was
You
good.
know, if we hadn't got hung up on traffic,
We did get hung up on traffic, didn't we?
I think we were not going much lower than the pace of that beast out there, which
Yep.
I think is quite impressive, which means you're driving better than he is. Clearly, this time. Good job.
Yeah, that's great. I like being near to someone else who has a skill.
Who has some skill level so that you
Yeah.
can watch what they're doing. Yeah, I used to say, I'd love to point you by, I'm going to sit behind you and steal all your secrets. And then I'm
Exactly.
going to be faster the next time.
Yep.
Because it's very hard to see what they're doing if you got them in your mirror. I'd